Today's great 2-minute tech tip is on Google Keep. Google Keep is a keeper of your lists. So, for example, all you have to do is click up here to start a note. You can make a checklist, a note with an image, or a drawing. And here's a note with a checklist. As I check them off, they get marked off at the bottom. If you want to include an image at the top, that would look like this with your list at the bottom. And here's an example of a drawing. You can color code your notes just by clicking on the palette and choosing a color. And you can pin notes to the top for those important notes that need to stay at the very top, or you can unpin them. You can label your notes, add a label just by clicking on the 3 dots and changing a label. That way, if you have many notes and you want to only see the notes that apply to STLP or whatever your label is, you can click on those and then just click up at the top to see all of your notes again. You can add reminders to notes. So for example, on my grocery list, I have a reminder that is a location reminder. So on my phone, I have an app, a Google Keep app, and it pops up and tells me if I get close to the Tates Creek Kroger that my grocery list is yet to be done. I can also share notes with myself. For example, this one is shared with my personal account. Students can share notes with each other if they're working on a list for their class project. Also, you can click on the 3 dots and copy it to Google. So if your students have created a list and they want to send that to Google Docs to start an outline, it's a very quick and easy way to do that. Google Keep can be located on your phone, on your computer, and can be shared. And it's a great resource. Hope you enjoy.